This one is a bit tricky. We have something like P equals Q over, we have 7 plus 2R. I asked to make Q the subject formula. Alright, so for this kind of question, I recommend that you make use of this method of LCM so that you'll be at the safe side, you'll not be confused. Okay, so you find the LCM of both sides. So the LCM will give us what 7, 1 into 7. So 7 times P, we have 7P. Alright, equals 7 to 7, 1. So we have Q plus 1 to 7, 7. 7 times 2, that's 14R. So at this juncture, don't make use of the 7. The LCM no longer perform any function. So we now have 7P equals Q plus 14R. Now, we have to make it the solid formula, and to do this 14R will cross over the equality sign. When you do that, our Q will be 7P minus 14R equals Q. So that will be the answer. Either you leave it like this, or if you want to put it where Q equals 7P minus 14R. Alright, so that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that, guys. Now, let's look at another problem. Let's say this time around we have A equals V minus U over T. So in this question, you can choose to cross multiply. Now, if you cross multiply, you're going to have T times A, you're going to have AT equals V minus U. And this question has to make what? It has to make V the solid formula. So to make V the solid formula, this minus U will cross by equality sign, change to a positive sign. So our V will be AT plus U. So that will be the answer to this question.